What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jimmy Make Music. Today we're going to be touching on Chalie Puth. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past few months, you know that Chalie Puth's light switch has been turning people on left and right. That's really bad. That's like a radio host. It's Chalie Puth with light switch. You're turning me on, Charlie. It's so bad. Anyway, Chalie Puth is no stranger to making hit records. This is no different. Light Switch is blazing up the charts, so why not hop on the bandwagon and do a remix? One of his keys to success is the keep it simple, stupid method of making music. So it's really catchy chord progressions, memorable lyrics, emotional touch. What? So I figured in this remix we do the same. We're going to keep it kind of simple, give it more of a hip-hop, sexy vibe since it's about turning someone on. We got to slow it down a little bit. Charlie, this record is 184 beats per minute. Slow your roll. So I'm going to chop that in half, make it a little smooth, get some snaps, a cool bass line, and I'm hopeful that this will keep up with the original. Let's get to work.
Jimmy, make music.
Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that back, yeah. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I say don't look back, but I go right back, yeah. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay mad when you walk right back now. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, better go right back. Yeah, all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. You do. Wanting you, girl. Like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you.